Two, you must master the product you are selling. You must know what does the product entail. When you master the product, people will honor you because of product mastery. You cannot buy and sell effectively. Mastery will earn you the respect of the market. The last thing you must master is a process. What must be done? How must it be done? Where must it be done? With whom must it be done? If you master this three, you will defeat poverty. I'm going to pray. And I want you to listen to me as I pray. When God permitted Avbob to be established many years ago, God had foresight. He saw ahead of time that we would be living in seasons where employment will be a scarcity and where a concept that gives you the right and the freedom to become your own boss will be unleashed. Avbob is one of the well-established entities. When you sell its product, you have a backup of its longevity. It has been there before others were there. Others came and left, and it's still here. So if you join this program of network marketing, your credibility is backed up by the credibility of this powerful entity. Father, in the name of your Son Jesus, I pray for these your people as we open this auspicious gathering where a concept which is designed to snatch us out of financial scarcity is being launched. I pray that you grant us a learning ear, a mind with the ability to process concept, the energy to get to work, the heart to love people. Because you cannot be in a networking space and not be magnetic. You cannot be in a network space and not be charismatic. Chemistry is the key word in winning people. Help them, Lord, to develop all these attributes. And as we leave this place later today, we must be ready to rock and roll and win the market and enjoy financial freedom. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.